Welcome to Hanover Hill Premier Neighborhood in Carlisle, Massachusetts. I don't need to tell you how beautiful the home is, you'll see that for yourself. But what truly sets the property apart is the community. Carlisle is a quiet, close-knit town surrounded by conservation land and scenic trails. Families love the small-town feel and the excellent public school system, with a campus serving students from kindergarten through 8th grade. And there are so many local favorites to enjoy, like Kimball's Ice Cream, Great Brook Farm for hiking and visiting the animals, and the seasonal farm stand at Clark Farm Market for CSA. It's a peaceful retreat that feels a world away, yet is just outside of Boston.